Hello there guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will be doing a little walkthrough on the other vehicle we have in our house. It's a 2022 Toyota 4RUNNER. Right now we came here to, as you can see, we came here to Rocky Point, and I just decided to do a small walk around on this on the third vehicle we have at our house. You know, we have the Ford F-150 you've seen on my videos, and then I also have 1993 GMC Sierra, which I will be posting a video soon. And then this is just a small walkthrough on the 4Runner we have here. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Like I said, this is my wife's 4Runner. It's a 2022. The tint has been done, 5% limo, rear windows and rear door, 20% front windows. I installed a 3.5-inch lift kit, Skyjacker lift kit. You see it in there. Then the tires are Ridge Grappler 285/70/17. The wheels are Fuel 17 by 9.5, I believe, or 17 by 9. We also installed the rock sliders there. Same thing in the front. I added the Skyjacker upper control arm there. I went a little higher in the front. I installed a 1/2-inch spacer there. Okay. The next thing, these rough country lights here, they work pretty good. They are really bright at night. Right now we're just running the amber lights. Okay, next is the off-road lights here. The emblem right there, the little Toyota emblem there. Okay, we barely started on this other project. I have the other two at home, but I will be doing more to this one here shortly. Beginning of next year, I think. We're gonna go a little higher, bigger wheels, bigger tires. We're gonna do the full rack on top. Then we're gonna do the ladder in the back, and there's gonna be a few more other mods we're gonna do to this, like a cold air intake. We're gonna do a hitch in the front, cat back exhaust system, cold air intake. What else do we want to do? There's a few other mods. We might tune it a little more so we can gain a little more horsepower. Right now it has a lot of torque, but not enough power. But yeah, this is the other vehicle. We have 3 of them in our house. We are working on 3 vehicles, doing mods and all kinds of stuff. It takes a while. You guys should probably know that. Next year, this one here is gonna look a little different, and I'll keep you guys updated on this too. I will be saying bye to you guys, and we were gonna keep on off-roading a little bit here, a few more hours maybe, and then we're gonna head back home to Arizona. So, thank you. Like and subscribe, and you guys have a good day. Later.